Have you ever wondered why ebooks haven't replaced physical books yet? Welcome, I'm Makuto, and today we're delving into a contemporary conundrum that has sparked much discussion: the ongoing debate between traditional physical books and modern ebooks. In an era where digital technology is omnipresent and our lives are increasingly intertwined with the virtual world, one might expect that ebooks would have long since eclipsed their physical counterparts. Yet, the reality is far from this expectation. Physical books, those tangible, paper-bound artifacts of knowledge and imagination, have managed to hold their ground. They continue to coexist with ebooks, despite the latter's convenience and accessibility. It's a fascinating paradox, isn't it? An intersection of the past and the future, a testament to the enduring appeal of the printed word. So, what keeps these paper-bound treasures afloat in our digital age? Is it nostalgia, practicality, or something else entirely? Let's dive in. First, consider the sensory experience of reading a physical book. There's an undeniable allure in the tactile sensation of holding a book in your hands. The weight of it, the texture of the cover under your fingertips, the slight resistance as you turn each page. These are experiences that are uniquely associated with physical books. Now, try to recall the sound of a page turning, that soft rustle, almost like a whisper, that punctuates the silence when you're engrossed in a story. It's a familiar rhythm that becomes a part of your reading journey, a subtle reminder of your progress through the narrative. And then, there's the smell of a book. Whether it's a brand new book, with its crisp pages carrying a hint of fresh ink, or an old, well-loved tome with a musty, comforting scent that speaks of decades of stories told and retold. These olfactory experiences are deeply ingrained in our reading rituals. These sensory experiences contribute significantly to the overall pleasure of reading. They create a connection, a bond between the reader and the book that goes beyond just the words on the page. It's a multi-sensory journey that engages not just the mind but the body as well. Ebooks, despite their convenience and technological advantages, simply cannot replicate this sensory richness. Reading on a screen, no matter how advanced, is a fundamentally different experience. The tactile pleasure of holding a book, the sound of pages turning, the smell of the paper, these are lost in the digital realm. In a world where so much of our lives are spent staring at screens, the physicality of books offers a welcome respite. It's a tangible sensory experience that grounds us, that reminds us of the joy of simple pleasures. For many, the sensory appeal of physical books is a crucial part of the reading experience, something that ebooks simply cannot match. Next, let's talk about the practicality of physical books. Physical books have a certain sense of practicality that ebooks often struggle to match. One of the most fundamental aspects of this is the fact that a physical book does not require a power source. You don't have to worry about finding a charging port or making sure your device is charged before you can dive into a good book. You can simply pick up a book and start reading, whether you're on a deserted island or on top of a mountain. In addition to this, physical books are not prone to technical glitches. We've all faced situations where our devices freeze, crash, or simply refuse to function. With a physical book, you're not at the mercy of software updates or technical malfunctions. It's just you, the book, and the story that unfolds within its pages. Another practical aspect of physical books is the ability to read in any lighting condition. While e-readers have made great strides in this area, the fact remains that the experience of reading a physical book under natural light is unparalleled. You can read a physical book under a tree, on a sunny beach, or by the soft glow of a bedside lamp without straining your eyes or adjusting screen brightness. But the practicality of physical books doesn't end there. Books are a tangible asset that can be shared, gifted, and even resold. You can lend your favorite novel to a friend, donate a box of books to a local library, or sell them at a garage sale. There's a certain joy in passing a beloved book to someone else, and knowing that it will continue to be enjoyed by others. The act of giving a book as a gift also has a personal touch that an ebook simply can't replicate. There's something special about choosing a book for someone, inscribing a personal message on the inside cover, and wrapping it up, knowing that you're not just giving a gift, but a whole world of stories and ideas. So, while ebooks may be more portable, physical books often win when it comes to practicality. Now let's delve into the psychological impact of reading physical books. Researchers have found intriguing data suggesting that the tactile experience of reading a physical book can lead to higher comprehension and retention rates. The physicality of turning pages and feeling the weight of the book in your hands seems to play a subtle yet significant role in our cognitive processes. Imagine a book as a physical landscape, Each page turn is like traversing a new terrain, creating a mental map of the content. This journey, this physical interaction with the book, helps to anchor the information in our memory, making it easier to recall later. Moreover, the sensory experience of a physical book, the smell of the pages, the sound of a page turning, the feel of the paper, also contributes to this increased comprehension and memory. Evidently, the psychological benefits of reading physical books are not to be underestimated. In conclusion, while ebooks have their own advantages, they haven't been able to replace physical books for a variety of reasons. Today, we've explored these reasons in depth, starting with the sensory appeal of physical books. There's a certain magic to the smell of a new book, the feel of the pages, and the sound of turning them. Then, we delved into the practicality aspect. Despite the convenience of ebooks, the inability to lend, resell, or gift them as easily as physical books is a significant drawback. Lastly, we discussed the psychological impact of reading physical books. The physical presence of a book can make a difference in how we perceive and retain information. So, it seems that for now, the charm of physical books is here to stay. So, what's your take on this? Do you prefer physical books or ebooks? Don't forget to comment your thoughts, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. This is Makuto, signing off.